Crafting copy that speaks directly to your audience's heart and habits. Engage and conquer. Crafting copy that speaks directly to your audience's heart and habits. Identify your preferred audience. Create a detailed profile. Define your target audience with specificity. Write down a detailed description and create a mental picture of who you want to attract. Tailor content to social media preferences. Determine the preferred social media platform of your audience. Focus on their favorite space, whether it's LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Ask them directly to ensure accuracy, then create content tailored for that platform. Alternative approaches for non-social media users if your audience is not on social media. Explore other marketing avenues. Printed materials, flyers, wrap cards, door hangers, postcards. Ads on TV streaming, billboards, and radio. Adapt your strategy to meet the preferences of this group. Consider device preferences for content consumption. Identify the type of device your audience uses for searches and reviews. For mobile users, structure content with ample white space, shorter sentences, and scan-friendly elements. Tailor written content differently for those who prefer reading on laptops or tablets. Understand and adapt to client preferences. Take the time to understand your ideal clients and their preferences. Network with curiosity to discover what matters most to them. Regularly refresh your website to stay current and engaging. Craft content specifically for your audience. Use the insights gained to create content that resonates with your audience. Write about their needs and the solutions you provide to serve them effectively. Ensure your content speaks directly to the preferences of your ideal clients. Stay current and reach out for assistance. Regularly update your website to reflect the evolving needs and preferences of your audience. Offer assistance and support, emphasizing availability for any needed help. Utilize relevant hashtags. Include hashtags to increase the visibility of your content. Hashtag marketing content. Hashtag copywriting. Hashtag entrepreneurs. Crafting content that meets your audience where they are ensures maximum engagement and resonates with their preferences. Understanding their social media habits, device preferences, and alternative outreach methods empowers you to connect effectively. Stay attuned to your clients, adapt your strategy accordingly, and create content that serves them well. Hashtag marketing content. Hashtag copywriting. Hashtag entrepreneurs. Hashtag writerdom. Forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource. newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub. mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs dream lifestyle. supats.com. Connect with us at weCare at newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.